Light illuminates the world and brings color to life. Thanks to Absen, the world is shining more brightly than ever before, touching all aspects of our lives. Creating memorable experiences, enabling impactful communication, and capturing moments of true passion. We deliver moments that you will never forget. The world is changing faster than ever before, and we understand what it takes to stay ahead. Each single pixel embodies Absen's advanced manufacturing capabilities and relentless pursuit of excellence. With over 30,000 successful projects to date, Absen is making the world shine more brightly. A state-of-the-art manufacturing and testing facility ensures Absen's products are of the highest quality. Each product goes through 18 monitoring procedures, 29 operating procedures, and 33 recording procedures, as well as 2,285 tests and experiments. More than 1,000 employees are striving for product perfection, enabling Absen to set the standard for LED display industry. Since Absen was established, we have been unwaveringly fulfilling the core values of honesty, gratitude, and responsibility. We follow the rules of no lies, no fakes, and no bribes. We work with care and diligence, and we do not take our success for granted. Our customers' trust is our most valued asset. Quality lies at the heart of everything we do. Our people are our greatest source of strength, and we view our competitors as partners. By working together in partnership with honesty and integrity, our corporate philosophy is to maximize the value for our customers, to provide the best service for our customers and partners around the world. Absen has developed an international customer support network with 9 overseas subsidiaries and numerous offices across the globe. We listen to our customers and translate their needs into realistic and effective solutions. Furthermore, we look ahead to identify and predict customers' future needs so that we can develop new products and solutions for the future. Over the past 18 years, Absen has grown to become a truly global Chinese brand with a strong reputation for quality, innovation, and integrity. Over 1,000 employees from 13 different language backgrounds deliver the most innovative solutions and ensure our reputation is upheld. Absen LED displays shine in over 120 countries. We have and will always strive to make the world a brighter place. Everyone at Absen plays a vital role in our company's journey. We will succeed by staying true to our corporate values. If you aspire to achieve more, choose Absen as your partner. Your inspiration, our innovation.